Hello and welcome back to Elderberry Creek Farm and Nursery, located here in Pofftown, North Carolina. This video is going to be a little bit different than what you're accustomed to seeing from us. Usually it's plant material. However, since we also have a landscape company and we're doing a lot of planting here at the nursery, especially getting ready for our wildlife trail and our nature trail, this tool right here has become invaluable. It has made our work so much more efficient, so much more productive, and so much easier on the backs. Since we've had this product, we have yet to use a shovel to put any plant in the ground. And we have used this thing from 1 gallon size pots all the way up to 25 gallon size pots. What is it? It is called the Power Planter. No, this is not a promotional or paid video. We're just super pleased. I mean, absolutely astounded at how well this thing works. We've used it in rock, we've used it in roots, we've used it in clay, we've used it in sand, and this thing just eats through it like nothing. Definitely a lot better than throwing a shovel. So what it is, you've got a drill here, and it is ran off of a battery pack. Don't let that hinder you in wanting to possibly get this product, because this battery lasts a long time. I mean a long time. We have planted, I think the most we did at once was like maybe 32 plants, and they range from 3 gallon to 25 gallon. And this battery held up for every bit of it. And this was in hard clay soil. So the auger that we have been using the most is this one. It is a 7-inch auger. They do make them, I think they come in a 9-inch as well, but so far up to 25 gallon holes, this 7-inch auger is all you need. From 1 gallon to 25 gallons, this thing just, it eats it up. And it's not that heavy. It's not much heavier than, you know, a good heavy-duty spade. Another thing I like about this is, unlike corded electric drills, this thing has a clutch on it. So anybody that's ever used a drill, you know, on the drop cord and has ever hit a root or you know, a hard piece of ground and the drill about rips your arm off, you don't have that problem with this one. This drill will stop as soon as it hits something. So that's another really good benefit of this. Another good thing we like is the bulb auger. One thing that really impressed us on this particular auger is the length. So most of your augers that you get, other brands, aren't going to be this long, so you're still having to bend over all day long, especially if you're planting lots of bulbs. We've got some customers we're doing upwards of 1,500 to 2,000 bulbs, so you don't want to be bent over doing that all day long. You especially don't want to do it with a hand digger. With this particular auger here, you're able to stand straight up without bending over. You're keeping your back straight, and you're just plug, and you're just, you know, you got one people drilling the holes, or one person drilling the holes, another person's coming in behind you dropping the bulbs in, and another person's coming by and covering them up. It's just hard to beat. But anyway, we've got a few plants that we want to put in here at the nursery, so we'll show you how it works and we'll show you how efficient this thing is. So with no further ado, let's get out of here. Alright, this is a 1 gallon size hole. Done. Alright, this is a 3 gallon pot. Done. Alright, this is the bulb auger. This is the area we're going to put some bulbs in, so let us get to work. We don't have the bulbs with us. Had you had the bulbs, drop them in, cover them up. Done.